Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So please excuse the mess behind me. I've just woke up, I've just gone into a quiet room, and I'm going to do a quick intro and outro for my video coming out today, which I'm so excited to film because of course it is Christmas, well, Christmas month, and I'm making mince pies, which I love with a cup of tea, so I might have to eat them for breakfast, I'm not going to lie. And sorry if my voice is a bit croaky, like I said, I've just woke up and I'm just feeling a bit croaky. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you try the recipe. Trust me, it's so easy, so cheap, and we do it every Christmas Eve as a tradition, me and my dad, before we watch The Grinch. Okay, I will see you guys after this clip.
For this recipe, you're going to need 250 grams of butter, 375 grams of plain flour, 1 egg, 125 grams of caster sugar, 280 grams of mincemeat, and some icing sugar to dust. First, you want to start by putting the butter, sugar and flour into a bowl. Rub them all together with your hands until it's combined. Add in the eggs and then mix together until it forms a dough. Knead the dough a little and then wrap it in cling film. Place this dough in the fridge for at least 30 minutes or until nice and cool. I left mine overnight and then just made them the next day, but you want the dough to be really chilled. Once the dough is chilled, sprinkle some flour onto a clean work surface and split your dough in half. One half is for the lids and the other half is for the bases. You want to roll your dough out pretty thin, but that is up to you. I usually roll mine out as thin as possible without ripping. Now you want to gauge how big the bases of the mince pies need to be. This will be dependent on your cupcake tin, so I just measured mine with a cutter and I tested it a couple of times. You can cut a few out and just see what works the best. Now once you've done that, you want to cut out all of your mince pie bases, grease your cupcake tins and place them inside. Now you just want to add a good spoon of mincemeat to each one. Make sure to not overfill as they will bubble up in the oven. Now you're going to add the lids on top, so with the other half of the dough you're just going to cut out whatever shapes you want. This can be a circle, it could be a star, it could be a heart like I've done. Just cut out all the lids, however many you need, and then place them on top. Get some milk and brush it over the tops and then sprinkle on some sugar. Whack the mince pies in the preheated oven on 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Once they are cooked, let them cool for a while as the mincemeat will be scalding hot. I know it will be really hard to not eat them right away, but trust me, I've done it before and it really, really hurts. Once cooled, just dust with icing sugar and serve up with a nice cup of tea or a hot choc.
Thanks for watching that, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you make it at home. Let me know any comments below or any suggestions below. I always reply and I'm always looking for videos that you guys want to see. Okay, make sure you subscribe and like if you did enjoy this video, and I will be bringing lots more soon. Honestly, today I'm filming so much, so there's lots to come. Okay, thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.